Atomy Sophora Queen is a functional health supplement that is individually approved by Ministry of Food and Drug Safety Korea for improving menopausal symptoms according to Kupperman Menopausal Index. Now, 6 main ingredients combined functional formula for women's menopause. Atomy Sophora Queen can make it work. Pagoda tree fruit. Pagoda tree fruit, rich in bioactive substance sophoricoside. Atomy Sophora Queen contains following: pagoda tree fruit extract, which can improve menopausal symptoms of women; soy isoflavone, that support bone health; gamma-linolenic acid, that lowers plasma cholesterol and promotes blood circulation; vitamin D, E, and K, that improve bone density and protect cells; angelica root extract, ginkgo leaf extract, pomegranate extract, safflower seed oil. Protein, hydrolysate, and other supplementary ingredients are added to give extra beneficial effect for women's menopause. Once a day after meal, take 2 tablets per dose to become confident and healthy lady. Atomy Sophora Queen.